discussed hybrid framework. Next, I will give specifications for one web application. You create a keyword-driven framework for that application. You automate that application assignment. See, put mute. See, I will provide a specification for one web application. You create keyword-driven framework. Yesterday, I have explained how to create driver script, organizer spreadsheet, and initialization script, etc. You use that structure and create. See here, user interface. User interface side examples, features to be tested. Here I will explain some features. You try to automate them. You can add or remove some more features. See, first one, check launch of the application. See, after providing valid URL, it has to launch that application. It is generic scenario for every application, every web application, generic scenario. See, verify application launch. Next, create an account. See, registration. Create an account. Next, after creating the account, login. Next, verify objects count, total objects count of home page. Next, verify login. Next, log off links. Log off links, etc. You automate these 5 scenarios. See, first create folder structure. Next, create subfolders. First main folder, next subfolders. Next, what are the folder names generally we use in this framework structure? Noman? Here no sequence required, all are independent things. Function, library, Otherwise you can say just object repository, generic term. Object repository. Next, test results. Next, environment. See, already I told some folders formal, some folders only participate in execution. If you want to use, you can use. Suppose yesterday and day before yesterday we didn't use environment variables. If you want to use environment variables, you can use. See, next, organizer. Yesterday we discussed organizer, drivers. See, if it is a large scale project, we can prepare module wise drivers. If it is small scale project, single driver enough. That is independent file. That is not comes under folder. See, one folder may have subfolders and files also. Next, test data. Next, recovery. Next, test scenarios. Test scenarios. Test results already. See, already we created. Next, miscellaneous, other than above. See, as usual, in this miscellaneous folder, we store process guidelines documents, approval documents from management, and instructions by team lead, etc. documentation. See, yesterday for keyword driven framework, I have explained 5 high level steps. Can you tell me, Chinmay, what are the 5 high level steps? Chinmay. Yes, create folder structure. To store automation resources. Try to use terms, real time terms. Resources. Examples. Give examples for automation resources. Yes, yes. Example. Put mute. Example. Library files. Next, shared repository files. Shared repository files. Next, environment variable files, one or more, etc. Next, second step. Continue. Namrata, what is the second step, high level step? Create? Good. Create automation resources and store into corresponding folders. Next, Neha, third step. In keyword driven framework, you use keyword driven framework for automating this application. Okay. Create organizer. Spreadsheet. What is the, continue Neha, what is the functionality of organizer? Not mapping. It provides instructions. It provides instructions to driver script. Driver script. See, through this organizer, put mute, through this organizer we can control the test execution process module wise and test case wise. Next, generate driver script. What is the functionality of driver script? First of all, it is UFT test script. UFT test script. Next, all resources can be associated. 1 minute. Noman, you take control and type the all resources can be associated with the driver. Next, comma, driver executes tests one by one. Driver executes tests one by one, and export results as per organizer instructions. Organizer instructions. Okay, close. Next, leave one blank line and continue. Last step, generate initialization script. Initialization. TIA. Initialization script. Functionality. Next line. It is AOM script file, comma, launches UFT tool, comma, calls driver script, and closes UFT tool. These are the high level steps in keyword driven framework. And one more thing, in the industry, different flavors of keyword driven framework also available. We are discussing one of the flavor. Suppose in your company any changes are there, you can easily adapt. If you know the framework structure, at least you can cope up with any framework. If you don't know the framework, you can't cope up with any framework. Just save and close. Save and close, Siddiqui. Close. Next, up. Open the test scenarios file. Create one Excel file, new Excel. User means user module scenarios. Open the file. First write scenario headers, serial number SNO. Next, scenario name. Next, steps, prerequisites. Next, steps are navigation. Steps/navigation. Steps is general term, navigation is technical term. Both are same. Next, uh, verification points, one or more points. Next, input data, next, error handling. You prepare the error handling by operating that application. I will explain remaining fields. Next, last one, remarks. Okay, save. Next, continue. Just a minute. We have 5 scenarios. You can add or remove some more scenarios. Here, what are features to be tested? 1 minute. I just explain it now. See, first verify application launch. See, observe. First I will operate that one. Launch the browser. Next, enter valid URL. See, GCR IT. I will send all these details. Slash build 3, build 2, build 1 also available. Build 1 with high defect density, build 2 low defect density, build 3 maximum defects solved. Some more are there. See, launching the browser. Next, enter valid URL. Next, after entering the some slow is there. After entering the valid URL, it will launch the online shopping portal home page. By how can you confirm whether the application is launched or not? Noman, how can you confirm? Yes, browser title. Okay, capture the title and uh, compare with expected. Okay, see, first one completed. Say launching the browser and navigate to URL. Navigate this URL, then capture browser name and compare with expected. If both are same, then pass, otherwise fail. Okay, that is application launching process. Next, create an account. Already I told. See, for any online shopping portals, for user interface, two types of users. For user interface, two types of users. One is guest users. Another is registered users. Registration also free. Guest users, see, without registration, anybody can access the application and view the information. Suppose if they registered, they can get the services, means pay, this one, buying products, sending payments, etc. See, for every online shopping portals, for user interface, two types of users: guest users, registered users. Here, registration. See, first base state home page. From home page, you create that one home page. Next, create an account link. Click create an account link. Click create an account link. See, I will remove this existing data. So many students accessing this one. That's why it's very slow. I will remove some data. Then you will get speed. See, after that, enter here. Form is there. Put mute. Re Put mute. See, registration field is form is there. Here, red color marking. All are mandatory fields. Enter all mandatory fields. Enter all mandatory fields. Next, email address. It won't check whether the email is existing or not. It checks email in email format or not. That value in email format or not. See, ABCD 321 at, but it won't accept duplicates, means unique only. If you use same email ID for next registration, it won't accept. Every time you need to provide dynamic data for this email. That's why you create this email as argument. You pass argument every time. Company name optional, street address 1. See password also, ABC 1234, ABC 1234, continue. Just a minute. After entering all mandatory fields, it will get a confirmation page. It will bring to confirmation page. See, can you view this confirmation page, Noman? Your account has been created. Your account has been created. You capture this message. This is web element object. Web element. Using object spy, you capture this one. Using getarrow property of text, then compare with the expected. Otherwise, it will show error. You won't get this. Your account has been created like a confirmation message. Okay, this is about creating account. Next our scenario, login. See here, base state home page. Click login link. You will get login page. After registration only you can log in. Here enter. What is the email ID? ABCD. What we created earlier? 321. What is the password, Noman? 1234. Click on sign in. If login successful, it will show log off link, otherwise error message. Just a minute. Next 1 minute. Next scenario, verify objects count of home page. Actually, these details we get from developers. You know how to verify objects count using description object. Using description object, we can verify objects count using description object. Next, verify login and log off links. Verify login and log off links. What is the verification here? Login and log off links. Noman, just guess. Sign in. Okay, here sign in. And this is just object. Sign in is object. Some slow is there. Verify. How to verify login, log off links? Before login link only exists, isn't it? After login, log off link only exists. See two verification points here. Before login, after login. Okay, you prepare that one. Take the control. Scenario 1. Continue. Launch application. Launch application. Oh yes, now you got the control. You click on B column. Type. Not getting. Launch application. Launch application. Prerequisites, just valid URL. Valid URL. URL. Next steps are navigation. A. Launch the browser. Next, Alt Enter. Navigate to www.gcrit.com/build3. Next, enough. 2 steps only. Just navigating. Verification points. Capture browser title. And compare with expected. Compare with expected. So expected you can get using object spy. Next, input data, none. You write error handling by navigating that application. Come to next scenario. Leave one blank row and continue. 2. Customer registration. For customer registration, what are the prerequisites? Valid URL, customer details. Customer details means name, email ID, phone number, etc. So I am using just the customer details. Otherwise, 1 minute. Instead of valid URL, you just write home page. Home page is the pre-setup. From home page, we execute this scenario. Home page. Home page is the prerequisite. Okay. Next, click on create an account link. Account link. Next, enter all mandatory fields. Enter all mandatory fields. Next, what is that button? 1 minute, just a minute. See now, see we are in see login position. Earlier error was there. See here, after login, log off link is there na, Chinmay. By checking the existence of log off link, you can confirm login functionality. Otherwise, one more thing is there. This is, I think, first name. With your first name, it is showing confirmation message. Welcome back, ERWR. Just I used that name. You can use Chinmay also. Would you? See, you capture the string and cut into 3 pieces using split function. By comparing with your input data, that name, first name, you can confirm. Otherwise, very simple verification. Check the existence of log off link. If log off link exists, then login successful. Otherwise, login failed. Okay. See, 1 minute. Put mute. Think what is that button in registration form? Click continue button, I think. Okay. Enter all mandatory fields. Continue no more. Click continue button. Next. Enough. Verification point. Capture confirmation message. And compare with expected. Next, input data. So many details are there. Just write customer details. Okay, you prepare error handling. Next, leave one blank row and continue third scenario. Login. What is the prerequisites for login? Home page. Next, registered user. Next, click on login link. Next, enter email address. Next, enter password. Next, click on sign in button. Enough. Next, check now, here no capturing required. Okay, check the existence of log off link. See, some applications choose sign off, some applications choose log out. See, objects name vary from one application to another, but functionality is same. Check the existence of log off link and confirm. Okay. Here, email address, password, and password. Enough. Next, leave one blank row. Verify objects count. Verify objects count. For verifying objects count, no registered user required. Just home page enough. See, prerequisite, just home page. Capture objects, single step only. Steps also single step. Capture objects and count. Next, verification. Compare captured data with expected. Captured data with expected. Input data none. Next, leave one blank line, write one more scenario. Verify login, log off links. Login, log off links. Home page. Next, one more thing. Registered user required. We have to perform login operation. Registered user. Next, same. Click on login link. You copy that one. Login steps. Before login one verification. After login one verification. See, you know how to write multiple verification points. Already we discussed it. How to written multiple verification points, Manish? See, in functions chapter I have explained it. How to written multiple verification points, multiple results. Manish, are you there? Neha, can you tell me how to written multiple verification points? No. Chinmay, how to written multiple verification points? Noman? In functions chapter I have already explained. Here we have to written multiple verification points. Yesterday also we used single verification points. Else if is different. Else if we use for inserting multiple verification points. Inserting verification points is different. Returning the multiple results is different. Neha, observe this point. Inserting multiple verification points is different. Returning multiple results is different, isn't it? For inserting multiple verification points, we use else if structure. Okay, but how to return multiple results with the same name, that function name, using array function. We see. Can't you remember, Noman? in functions chapter I explained in verify update order button before open an order, update order button should be disabled. After open an order, enabled. Two verification points. We used array function for storing multiple results na. Array of verify 1 comma verify 2 like that. So any confusion, Neha? See, inserting multiple verification points is different. Returning multiple results is different. For inserting multiple verification points, we use else if structure. For returning multiple results, we use array function, built-in function of VB script. Okay, continue, Noman. Here two verification points. A, check the existence of login link, before login. Next, B, check the existence of log off link, from WebEx. Now you connected na? Okay, cool. Check the existence of log off link after login. Okay. Next, input data, just email address and password. See, these are the scenarios. Some more scenarios also there. You try to automate these 5 scenarios and use Internet Explorer only. See, if it is Mozilla, you need to install plugins. After installing plugins also, UFT not supporting 100%. See, in their documentation they told, if you install UFT Mozilla Chrome plugins, you can execute tests on different browsers, but not 100% compatible. Some errors, some issues are there still. But if it is Internet Explorer, 100% compatibility. So nowadays most of the companies facing these problems. So you try to use Internet Explorer for automating these scenarios. Next, what are the remaining steps? See, I provided specifications. I will send all folder structures today. Use keyword-driven framework folder structure, keyword-driven framework process for this application. See, remaining steps are create functions, object repository files. Next, create driver script. Before that, create organizer spreadsheet. Next, create organizer spreadsheet. Next, create driver script. Next, create initialization script. Over. See, remaining steps, create functions. While creating the functions, you can create shared object repository files by exporting local objects. Next, create organizer spreadsheet. Next, create driver script, create initialization script. Enough. Just I will show organizer. Yesterday only we discussed. Just you prepare organizer. Remaining 2 steps only. One is 3 steps. Creating resources, creating driver, creating initialization. 3 steps remaining. See, suppose user module. Organizer. No? Take control, Noman. First rename sheets. First sheet as module. Bottom. Rename sheets. Rename. Module. Second sheet as test case. Don't use embedded space. Test case single word right. C cap. Good. Next, third sheet as test step. Test step. Step enough. Okay. First, select module. Uh, Module ID. Next, module name. Next, module exe. Mod 1, three fields enough. Mod 1. Next, two more modules. Drag that. It's 2 enough. Mod 3 enough. Okay. See module 1, user module. Next, admin. Next, reports. See, based on your project, you can prepare modules. Reports. Next, module execution. Y, capital Y, N, third one also N. Say, if we use Y, then it will execute, then driver will execute that module. If you use N, it won't execute. See, through this module sheet, we can control the test execution process module wise. Yesterday we discussed this concept. This is second time. Test case. Select the test case sheet. What are the fields? What are the columns in this one? Tell me, Chinmay, column names. Chinmay. Test case ID. See, generally we give high priority for IDs. IDs are unique. Test case ID. Next, name. Test case name. Test case exe means execution status. Test case exe. Yes, module ID is the foreign key. Module ID is the relation between first and second sheets. Module ID. Okay, put mute. Test case ID. Any meaningful unique IDs you can use. TC001. You drag to 6 cases. Example, 6 cases. Test case name. First one, launch application. Next, second one, customer registration. Third one, login. Fourth one, verify objects count. Next one, verify login, log off links. Verify login, log off links. Next, add product. This is admin module scenario. Add product. Product. At a time, one product. Okay. Test case execution status. For first 5, all Y status. All Y status. Okay, last one also put Y status. Last one. module ID. First 5 belongs to module 1, 6th onwards module 2. First 5 belongs to module 1. Module 1. Sixth onwards, continuation. Sixth onwards, module 2. Sixth onwards. Module 2. 2. Now tell me, Manish, how many cases will be executed? 6. This fifth one, no status na? 5. See, observe module sheet. Module 1 only executable. Here, sixth case belongs to module 2. Module 2, no status. Module is primary, test case is secondary. Tell me, how many cases will be executed? Neha. 4. First 4 only. Fifth one, no status. Sixth one, yes status, but comes under module 2. Next, select test step, no man. Test step. First one, test step ID. Test step ID. Test step name. One test may have one or more steps. Name. Next, function name. All are end-to-end scenarios. Function name. Next, keyword. Next, test case ID. Test case ID is the relation between second and third sheets. Next, input data. Next, results. Okay. First test step ID. First case, launch the application. It has 2 steps. Launch application, then close. All are end-to-end scenarios. First TC001 underscore TS1 underscore TS1. One more step. Drag that one. Not copy cells. Next step, TS2. Just scroll. Next, continue. Test step ID only. Second test case, customer registration. It has 3 steps. TC001 underscore TC002. TC002 underscore TS1. 2 more steps. Just drag. 2 more steps. Next, here 3 steps. What are the 3 steps? Launch the application, customer registration, close the application. Next, login. Login also 3 steps. TC003 underscore TS1. 2 more steps. Next, verify objects count. 3 steps. TC004 underscore TS1. 2 more steps. Next, check, verify login and log off links also 3 steps. TC005 TS1. 2 more steps. Okay, like that you can prepare. Next, test step name. First one, launch application. After launching, verification also there. Next, close application. Just we are writing high level steps. Close application. Next step, not in that. Next step, TS2, close application. next launch application, next customer registration, next close application, close application, next launch application, login, next close application. Next same launch application, next capture objects count, next close application. Same launch application. Here verifications, forget about verifications. Before login one verification, after login one verification. Just login like steps only. Login. Next log off means close application. Close application. Close application. You write function names. Suppose function name, you can use any names, meaningful names. Just I am writing launch underscore app. You use same names, otherwise you can change, no problem. Next close underscore app. Next same launch underscore app. Next registration. Next launch underscore app. Just type L. Enough. Next close application there. Launch. Login. Next close application. 1 minute. Here write verify objects count, function name. Verify underscore objects count. Any meaningful names you can use, not these names. Not only these names. Launch application. 1 minute. Here you prepare one more function, login to. See, yesterday we created two types of functions. Today also two types. First login, only one verification. In the second login, two verifications. Before login, one verification. After login, one verification. Next, close application, same. Close application. Next, keywords. Any meaningful keywords you can use. Use small letters, LA, CA, LA, user-defined keywords. RN, CA, LA, LN, next LA, VOC. You can use 2 digits or 3 or 4, no issues. CA, next LA2, LN2. Login. Next CA. Test case ID. First two steps belongs to TC001. TC001. First two steps belongs to TC001. Next, second 3 steps belongs to TC002. TC002. Next 3 steps TC003. It is 004. Last 3 steps, it is 005. Good. Next, input data for launching application, none. Close application also none. Next, none. Next, customer details. Email, comma, password. Next, none. None only. No input data required for verifying objects count. Next, login same, email address, comma, password. None. Okay. Organizer spreadsheet over. Results after execution. See, leave. See, next 3 steps remain pending. You prepare those 3 steps. What are the 3 steps, remaining 3 steps, Neha, tell me? See, we created scenarios and organizer spreadsheet. 3 steps are there for keyword driven framework. What are the remaining steps? Initialization, last one, first sequence. 3 steps pending. Driver second. First thing. Create functions means create resources. See, 3 steps pending. You complete those 3 steps based on yesterday's framework. What are the 3 steps? Create automation resources based on these scenarios. What are the automation resources required? Function library, next shared object repository files. See, while creating the functions, you can create shared repository files by exporting local objects. This is the first step. Create automation resources. Next, second one, generate driver script. Yesterday we generated driver script. Next, third step, last step, generate initialization script. Okay. Next, you try to complete that one by next weekend. And one more thing, I will provide admin module scenarios also. In admin module, so many scenarios are there: creating, deleting, editing categories, products. Next, adding, removing currencies, etc. I will provide that specs also.